Looking at the things that I've done today, I realized that I haven't really read the book that I am supposed to be reading for 3 days now. But I've been doing my yoga or calisthenics, and I've been seeing a progression on the things that I did. And yeah, I just want to do things that I am conscious on taking effort, as well as I'm doing something with conviction. I have heard it a lot, or I've heard this a lot of time. Focus on working on yourself, not on your work. And I think both are really not great. You should do, or you should focus on working on yourself, which is true, but it doesn't mean that you did, or you wouldn't work on your work as well, as hard as it could be. Because if you do something with conscious effort to improve, it will affect your behavior as well. So I think what that quote meant is that you don't need to overexert yourself, but really working hard is really that good. Because I've said it again and again. I've watched Kumiko's journey on the Hibiki Euphonium, which is my most current obsession. Because when I finish something good, or I have a trance, or I'm affected by this thing, I tend to be obsessed about it. I search for all the videos. I'm currently looking up the fandom, something like that, or I'm getting all the informations that I have with that niche. And right now, this Hibiki Euphonium obsession of mine is not going anywhere for a week, I think. But one of the authors, or one of the things the author says, is that hard works pay off, but not the way you but not always the way you hope. And I think it's pretty good, or it's pretty inspiring, because at the end of the day, there are things that you want to do, you want to achieve, but your effort to do something, that goal, or to do something for that goal, will not betray you. Because at all of the things that you've done, you will learn something and you will grow from it, even if